In Westminster is London Eye, the Strata building over that side, and now that's the monument here that side, and that's St Paul's Cathedral at that side, and that's Cheese Grato's over that side, and now Walkie Talkie that side, and now the Glass of Gherkin here. Wow. Now that's Tower London Bridge over that side near this side. Wow. So this is One Tree Hill Park. One Tree Hill Nature Reserve Park. Wow. Over that side near the church. Wow. Wow. And that's the signpost. Look at this. Wow. The sun up there. Wow.